Welcome to the Batchelor Open House.
And here's an interview with Mr. Gilpin.
Welcome, Bulldog parents. We are thrilled that you took the time today to come visit with us and to visit your teachers. This is an opportunity for you to be able to visit the classrooms that your student is taking every single day today. You will be going from classroom to classroom. You'll get to practice 4 minutes between classes. So you get to see the challenge sometimes and the difficulty they may have had the first few days not knowing where their classes are at. Now that they know where the classes are at, it's really not that challenging, but you'll get to see experience that. You get to experience going up and down the stairs. One of the things that we want to do is make sure that you get to talk to all your teachers. However, if you really want something specific with your child, you need to kind of set up an appointment for that. But for tonight, we just want to thank you for coming. We hope you have a great night, and thanks for being part of the Bulldog community. Be proud to be a Bulldog.
Please stand for a moment of silence.
Please stand for the moment of silence and pledge of allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you for coming to the Batchelor Open House. Hope to see you again soon.